students, good morning. Welcome to the English class. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Today also we are going to do an interesting activity. પણ તે પૂર્વે let us recall what have you learnt in the last class. બાળમિત્રો, તમને યાદ હશે કે in the last activity you filled up a table. એ એક્ટિવિટીમાં તમે નાના નાના વાક્યો પણ બનાવવાનું શીખ્યા છો. Right? Now you have started learning how to say simple sentences. We are going to do an interesting activity. But before that, let us recall what did you learn in the last episode. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને યાદ હશે કે in the last episode you all prepared small sentences about your daily life. મને ખ્યાલ છે કે તમે સૌ હવે આવા sentences બોલતા પણ થયા હશો. Right? There is a girl in Valasan Primary School. She also watches virtual classroom episodes like you all, and she has also started saying sentences. Yesterday only she was telling me some of the sentences. She told me, I wake up early in the morning, I drink tea, I read newspaper, I go to the school. I was very happy to listen that. અને મને ખ્યાલ છે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, હવે તમે પણ નાના નાના સેન્ટેન્સીસ બોલતા થયા છો પોતાના વિશે, પોતાની દૈનિક ક્રિયા વિશે. આ એપિસોડમાં આપણે બીજાની ડેલી એક્ટિવિટીઝ વિશે કેવી રીતે વાત કરી શકીએ એના વિશે શીખવાનું છે અને ખૂબ મજા આવે એવું છે. There are two characters in the activity, right? Cuckoo and cuckoo. Okay, so get ready for the activity 5A and B. ખૂબ મજા પડે એવી activities છે મિત્રો. There are two paragraphs about two friends. પણ બાળ મિત્રો, આ activities માંથી આપણને શું શીખવાનું છે? How we can talk about the daily activities of others. તમારા મિત્રની, તમારા મમ્મીની, તમારા ફાધરની, એમની ડેલી એક્ટિવિટીઝ વિશે અંગ્રેજીમાં આપણે કેવા કેવા નાના નાના વાક્યો બોલી શકીએ એ આપણે આ એક્ટિવિટીઝ દ્વારા શીખવાનું છે. So get ready for the activities. Open the textbook of English, unit number 3, activity number 5A, and the page number is 31. Activity 5A. A cuckoo lives near cuckoo's house. Let's meet them. 1. Cuckoo likes cuckoo. There is a big neem tree near my house. A cuckoo lives there. It starts singing early in the morning. I hear it around 5 a.m. It is our alarm clock. All my family members like to wake up with its voice. I try to take some photographs of it, but it hides itself behind the leaves. I like to read on the terrace. Sometimes I tease it. I copy its song. It is fun. It likes my company. Now the second paragraph. 2. Cuckoo likes cuckoo. I live on a neem tree. Cuckoo's house is near my neem tree. I start singing early in the morning. Cuckoo and her parents like my voice. Cuckoo tries to take my photographs. I hide myself behind the leaves. She sits on the terrace and reads books. Sometimes she teases me. She tries to sing like me. It is fun. She likes my company. So students, we have read both the paragraphs. અને તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે કે there are two friends in the paragraphs. Cuckoo and Cuckoo. Cuckoo is the name of a girl. K-U-K-U. And the another one is Cuckoo, a bird. તમારા ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં પણ બંને ચિત્ર આપેલા છે. તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે કે one is girl and the another one is a bird. Cuckoo likes cuckoo. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ બંને પેરેગ્રાફમાં કુકુ અને કુકુની વાત છે. They both like each other. આમ તો આ બંને પેરેગ્રાફ્સ ખૂબ સિમ્પલ છે અને you can understand both the paragraphs on your own. So let's understand the first paragraph with the help of some pictures. We will also understand some of the words given in the paragraph. You can watch it on the screen, children. There is a girl. The name of the girl is Cuckoo. And there is a bird, Cuckoo. You are all familiar with this bird. Now, what is the sentence? Cuckoo likes cuckoo. Right? Like શબ્દથી આપ સૌ પરિચિત છો. Right? Let me give an example. I like playing football. I like having tea. Ramesh likes to play cricket. Right? આ શબ્દ તમારાથી અજાણ્યો નથી. So Cuckoo likes cuckoo. Look at the second slide on the screen. There is a big neem tree near my house. Children, Cuckoo says here, there is a big neem tree near my house. See, there are two words here, neem and near. You can watch it on the screen. There is a big neem tree. તમે આ બધા આ વૃક્ષથી પરિચિત છો. Right? So Cuckoo says, there is a big neem tree near her house. Near, you can watch it on the screen. There is a neem tree and there is a house. The neem tree is very near the house. And is the neem tree small? No, it is a big neem tree. So understood the meaning of the sentence? Now let's see the next sentence of the paragraph. A cuckoo lives there. So there is a big neem tree near Cuckoo's house and there is a cuckoo who lives there. Lives શબ્દનો પણ તમને અર્થ ખબર છે. For example, I live in Anand. My friend lives in Vadodara. Just like that, a cuckoo lives in the neem tree. Here it is. You can watch it on the screen. So understood the meaning of this sentence? Now let's look at the next sentence on the screen. Friends, Cuckoo says, there is a big neem tree near my house. There is a cuckoo lives there. And what does this cuckoo do? It starts singing early in the morning. તમને બધાને ખ્યાલ છે, how does a cuckoo sing? Coo, coo. યાદ છે ને, તમે પણ ઘણી વખત આવું કર્યું છે. Right? So, this cuckoo starts singing early in the morning. You can listen to the cooing of the cuckoo. So students, did you enjoy the singing of the cuckoo? તમારામાંના ઘણા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો તો આવું કરતા પણ હોય છે, ખરું ને? So understood the meaning of that sentence? Cuckoo says, cuckoo starts singing early in the morning. Now let's see the next sentence on the screen. I hear it around 5 a.m. It is our alarm clock. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીંયા ત્રણ શબ્દ હાઇલાઇટ થયેલા છે. Hear, alarm અને clock. Right? When does Cuckoo hear the sound of cuckoo? She hears the sound of cuckoo around 5 o'clock in the morning. Right? Hear શબ્દ પણ તમારા પરિચયમાં છે. Right? I hear the music. I hear the sound. Alarm clock પણ ખૂબ જાણીતો શબ્દ છે, ખૂબ પરિચિત શબ્દ છે. You can also watch the picture of the alarm clock on the screen. આપણા ઘરમાં પણ આપણે અલાર્મ ક્લોક વહેલી સવારે ઉઠવા માટે લગાવતા હોય છે. So alarm clock is also a word very familiar to you. So understood the meaning of these sentences? Now let's see the next sentence on the screen. Cuckoo says, all my family members like to wake up with its voice. તમને યાદ હશે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, cuckoo, hear the sound of cuckoo early in the morning around 5 o'clock. જેમ cuckoo cooing કરે સવારે, it starts singing in the morning and all the family members hear the voice of the cuckoo and they wake up in the morning. Wake up શબ્દ પણ તમારા પરિચયમાં આવી ગયો છે. You can watch the picture on the screen and you will understand the meaning of the word wake up. So understood the meaning of this sentence? Not only cuckoo, but all the family members, they like to wake up with the voice of cuckoo. Let's see the next sentence. Cuckoo says, I try to take some photographs of it. બે શબ્દો, try and take. These two words are also familiar to you. Try, આપણે તો કેટલી વખત બોલતા હોય છે કે try કરને, આવું ઘણું વખત આપણે બોલતા હોય છે. Take, take is also a word familiar to you. Cuckoo શું કરે છે? Cuckoo likes cuckoo. When she starts singing in the morning, she hears her sound. અને સાથોસાથ, what does she do? She tries to take some photographs of the cuckoo. Right? You can watch the picture on the screen and you will understand the meaning of the sentence. Right? તમે પણ કરતા હશો, ક્યારેક જો સારા પક્ષીને જોતા હશો તો મોબાઈલમાં તરત તમે એનું ફોટોગ્રાફ લેવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરો છો. Right? So cuckoo also tries to take the picture of the cuckoo. Let's see the next sentence on the screen. But it hides itself behind the leaves. There are three words highlighted on the screen, children. Hides, behind and leaves. Cuckoo no photograph લેવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરે છે. So what does cuckoo do at that time? She hides herself. And where does she hide herself? Behind the leaves. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, when cuckoo wants to take picture of cuckoo, what does cuckoo do? She hides herself. Where does she hide herself? Behind the leaves of the neem tree. મોટા ભાગે આવું આપણે જોવા મળતું હોય છે કે when we try to take the picture of a bird or an animal, what does they do? They either hide themselves or they go somewhere else. Cuckoo also wants to take picture, but cuckoo hides herself behind the leaves of the neem tree. Let's see the next sentence on the screen. I like to read on the terrace. Sometimes I tease her. Children, you can watch it on the screen. There is a terrace. Cuckoo likes to read on the terrace. Cuckoo likes to read here, and when she is reading, what does she do? She teases her. Cuckoo teases cuckoo. What is the meaning of the word tease? વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમારામાંના ઘણા બાળ દોસ્તો ઘણી વખત પક્ષીઓને, પ્રાણીઓને શું કરતા હોય છે? ટીઝ કરતા હોય છે અને એના કારણે એ ગુસ્સે થઈ જતા હોય છે. ઝૂમાં પણ ઘણી વખત જે વિઝિટર્સ હોય છે એ ઝૂમાં રહેલા પ્રાણીઓ અને પક્ષીઓને ટીઝ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરતા હોય છે, જે આપણે ન કરવું જોઈએ. ઘણી વખત આપણે આપણા બાળ દોસ્તોને પણ શું કરતા હોય છે? ક્યારેક એના નામથી કોઈક બીજું નામ પાડ્યું હોય, એને સતત એ રીતે બોલાવતા હોય અને એ રીતે શું કરીએ છીએ? એને ટીઝ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરતા હોય છે. And because of that, that person does not feel happy. એને ગુસ્સો આવી જાય, એ રોષે ભરાઈ જાય. Right? So understood the meaning of the word tease? We should not tease either animals or birds or to anyone else. Right? So Cuckoo, she reads on the terrace and sometimes she likes to tease the cuckoo. ચાલો કહો જોઈએ, આપણે કુકુ જો હોય ટ્રી પર તો એને આપણે કેવી રીતે ટીઝ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરતા હોય છે? પથ્થર મારીને નહીં, હો. કેવી રીતે કરતા હોય છે? કુકુ સિંગ્સ, કુ કુ, અને આપણે શું કરતા હોય છે? એ ગાય છે, અને સિમિલરલી વી ઓલ્સો ડુ કુ કુ, right? So cuckoo also does the same thing, right? Let's see the next sentence on the screen. I copy its song. It is